Could the tiny ingredient in your glaucoma eye drops be making your eyes worse instead of better? What if I told you that the preservative meant to protect your eye drops might be harming your vision in the long run? If you or a loved one is using glaucoma drops, you need to watch this video till the end. Today, we're diving into the critical difference between preservative and preservative-free eye drops, and which is truly best for glaucoma patients. Glaucoma is one of the leading causes of irreversible blindness worldwide. It's a silent thief of vision, often progressing without noticeable symptoms until it's too late. The cornerstone of glaucoma treatment? Eye drops, to lower intraocular pressure. But did you know that what's inside those drops, specifically whether they contain preservatives, can dramatically affect your eye health and comfort? What are preservatives in eye drops? Most traditional eye drops contain preservatives like BAC, short for benzalkonium chloride. These chemicals prevent bacterial contamination once the bottle is opened. They sound helpful, right? Well, yes and no. While preservatives increase the shelf life and safety of the bottle, they can also cause significant issues, especially with long-term use. Studies from the US, Canada, and Europe have shown that preservatives, especially BAC, can damage the surface of the eye over time. Here's what can happen: chronic eye irritation, dry eye syndrome, redness, burning or foreign body sensation, allergic reactions, damage to the corneal and conjunctival cells. Now think about it. Glaucoma patients often need to use drops daily for years, even for life. The cumulative exposure to preservatives can seriously impact their quality of life and treatment success. What are preservative-free eye drops? Preservative-free eye drops come in special packaging, usually single-use vials or specially designed multi-dose bottles, that prevent contamination without the need for harsh chemicals. These drops are gentle on the eyes, especially beneficial for patients with moderate to severe dry eye, those with allergies or sensitivities, long-term glaucoma management, post-surgery recovery, and people using multiple drops per day. They help maintain a healthy ocular surface, improving comfort and often adherence to treatment. European and American glaucoma studies have shown that patients using preservative-free drops report better tolerability, fewer side effects, and improved compliance. In fact, many ophthalmologists across the UK, Germany, and Australia are now recommending preservative-free formulations, especially for chronic users. One downside? Preservative-free drops can be more expensive and harder to find, especially in the United States and Canada. But the good news is, many companies now offer preservative-free options, like tafluprost, timolol preservative-free, and dorzolamide timolol combinations. If you're paying out of pocket or through insurance, check with your ophthalmologist about generic versions or patient assistance programs. So, who should have switched from preservative eye to preservative-free? If you're experiencing chronic irritation, dry eyes, or are on multiple eye drops a day, switching to preservative-free could be a game changer. But always consult your eye doctor before making any changes. So, which one is better? For short-term or occasional use, preserved drops may be just fine. But for long-term glaucoma management, preservative-free eye drops are often the safer, more comfortable choice. Your eyes deserve the best care, especially when your vision is on the line. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more eye health insights. Got a question about your eye drops or glaucoma treatment? Drop it in the comments. We read every one. Stay informed, stay protected, and remember, your eyes matter.